pretty cool. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna do some bird photography. We're at the local reserve, still in lockdown for the foreseeable future. Hopefully we'll be able to take some pictures of certain species. I'm expecting to see a few eastern rosellas that have been around for a few weeks now. So wish me luck and we'll see if I can get any images. At least I got a shot of a white ibis that was being chased by both noisy miners and a few rainbow. I just took a series of shots of noisy miners chasing a crow. Let me know what you think. There's a magpie on that branch. I'm going to try and get a little bit closer to it. I don't like the branch just right behind it, so I'm going to go to this side. Unfortunately, it's a little bit up high, so the angle is not right. Ideally, you would want it to be at eye level or even lower, just to create that level of intimacy. The Ibis is being harassed by noisy miners. I can't really get a decent angle. Too many branches. It's about to fall off. The wind is too strong. The reason why I'm staying in this open area is because the sun is right behind me, so I get front lighting, which is optimal for birds in flight shots. A couple of Pacific black ducks down here, just foraging. It's pretty cool. Got a couple of shots where the background is not as cluttered, so I got really close to beautiful Australian Magpie, but unfortunately there were too many branches behind it, so the background was quite cluttered. It's a beautiful crow or Australian raven, I think. Unfortunately, I wasn't expecting it to take off as abruptly as it did. I did not manage to frame the shots up the way I wanted, but I might be able to recover them, or I might be able to salvage them in Photoshop by using content-aware fill. So let's have a look at how these shots turned out after some post-processing magic. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing, and see you guys very soon in the next one.